back to my room. Got a few upgrades since last we spoke, as you can see by the new setup. Still, unfortunately, no RTX card, but, you know, hopefully in the future. Anyways, today we're going to be talking about how a few different artists, including myself, are using Unreal Engine 5 for a variety of creative tasks. Not just games, but beyond that. UE5 is a powerful tool that has completely changed the game for artists working in not only animation like you see here, but even environment design, art viz, pre-production, video presentations, VFX, and of course game design. Let's dive in and explore how artists are using UE5 to bring their visions to life. First up, of course, let's talk about animation. Of course, I've shown some of the basic uses through my character here, but with how robust UE5 is, I just have to spend only a day or two to create 10 to 20 minutes of animation for these videos. UE5 has some powerful animation tools that allow us artists to create stunning 3D animations that are incredibly detailed and realistic. With new, easy to understand and use UI and tools, it's never been easier to animate inside of Unreal. UE5's dynamic animation system makes it possible to create animations that feel organic and natural, and the retargeting system allows you to reuse animations on any rig. This is perfect for creating fast animations, immersive storytelling experiences, and engaging cutscenes with speed and ease. Moving on to environment design, UE5 is the perfect tool for creating breathtaking landscapes and works that feel alive and immersive. We've looked through this room in previous videos and I wanted to go into it into a bit more detail. With UE5's advanced lighting and rendering capabilities with lumen and ray tracing, artists can create stunning environments that are as beautiful as they are functional. From lush islands to apocalyptic interiors, UE5's environment design tools are perfect for creating realistic and detailed worlds that feel truly alive. Environment design is used in almost every 3D industry and is an important hallmark of UE5. The newest edition adds so many tools for quickly creating small or even large-scale environments. From its new landscape spline editor to its procedural foliage, or even the new runtime virtual textures that allow you to use height maps to make a landscape more interesting, along with so much more. One business that utilizes Unreal Engine 5's environment creation capabilities is ArcViz, or Architectural Visualization. Quite the mouthful. It's another area where UE5 excels quite a bit, and it's become quite the hallmark of Unreal Engine 5. Architects and designers use UE5 and other 3D software to create incredibly detailed and accurate 3D models of buildings and structures. This is perfect for creating visualizations of buildings that haven't been constructed yet, or for creating presentations for potential clients. What's better than showing the final product before you've even started? UE5's powerful realistic rendering engine and lighting tools make it easy to create photorealistic representations of buildings and structures. And with massive libraries from Quixel and all the free assets on the marketplace, it can take a matter of time to make something impressive. In pre-production, UE5 is a powerful tool that enables artists to prototype and iterate on ideas quickly. With UE5, artists can create rough versions of environments and characters to test out a few different ideas. Let's take this environment for example. I wanted to test out a moon environment recently for a possible project I have in mind. And with the help of a few assets and some quick material building, I created the scene pretty quick. Created this in probably a little bit less than 2 hours and just kind of wanted to see what's possible. I might never use this area again, but it taught me a lot about large bodies, distant objects, and how I can use a few free assets to bring just a little simple idea like this to life. This allows artists to work faster and more efficiently, getting to the final product that they want faster, or the product that they don't know they want. UE5's real-time rendering capabilities make it easier to see changes in real time, making it easier to iterate on ideas and make changes on the fly. Video presentations are another amazing area where UE5 can come in handy. The videos I create are all done within UE5. In future videos, I will break down more about the workflow and programs I use to create and finalize my videos. In the future, I'd love to have a Discord and a Patreon to help those who want to learn and grow in this field. If that sounds interesting to you, leave a comment and let me know what kind of content you would like to see about the games and digital art industry in the future. With UE5, artists can create stunning video presentations that showcase their work in an engaging and immersive way. From videos like mine to potential VR content, if VR were to ever hit mainstream media. Imagine being able to walk around in my videos with me and learn right next to me. From product demos to corporate presentations or even fun educational content like this, UE5's fast and advanced rendering capabilities make it easy to create stunning visuals that captivate audiences for anyone. No more need for render farms or big budgets for things like short films or shows. Average users can create their own movie and TV quality VFX at home, and UE5's photoreal rendering makes it the perfect tool for doing exactly that. From big motion pictures to TV, UE5's VFX tools are perfect for creating realistic and impactful visual effects that can help tell a story. A great example of this is The Mandalorian on Disney+. In recent times, it has used Unreal to create photorealistic volumes, which are basically, in simple terms, is a box with a bunch of LED screens all around it to fake an environment. Here's a good example of it right here. In combination with its virtual production features, it has never been easier to put yourself right in the world. Combination with UE5's environment, virtual studio abilities, many studios are looking to it to create their next movie or show. I'll let him get back to it. Of course, out of all things, UE5 is the perfect tool for game design. With UE5's powerful game engine, artists can create immersive and engaging games that are fun to play and beautiful to look at. From first-person shooters to role-playing games, or even car football. UE5's game design tools make it easy to create games that are both engaging and visually stunning. UE5 is a powerful tool that is revolutionizing the way that artists like me work. With its advanced rendering capabilities, real-time rendering engine, and powerful tools for animation, environment design, ArcViz, pre-production, video presentations, VFX, and of course game design, and so much more, UE5 is the perfect tool for bringing creative visions to life, regardless of the media. Whether you're an artist, designer, or game developer, UE5 is the tool you need to take your work to the next level. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you want to see about UE5 next. Make sure you have yourselves a damn good one. See you in the next video.